You see a mic on me? You may see it by my t-shirt, but that's not the mic I'm using. I'm using a mic that is, yes indeed, somewhere else. And it's a little windy, and I got noise canceling on, and it's definitely a different mic indeed. I got it draped around me, and it reaches into my pocket. But it's the Fulaim X5. That's the one in between of it all. Well, it's the mic that counts that I'm shooting with, but it's the GoPro Hero 10 that's capturing all the sound. So what part of this do you like? I do long-term reviews of the products I love, and I love the Fulaim X5. Oh man, it's probably one of the best products I bought in a long time. Just like the Sony ZV-1F and the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I made a lavalier mic, and it is a very simple mic that we all can make. Now, if you want to cut your leads, you can do so. And this is what I've done. I'm going to take my helmet off because for me it kind of hurts a little bit. But there is my mic right here. It is the Ceramic XR XM1 omnidirectional noise canceling, microphone. Now, it is a stereo mic plugged into a stereo gain control that's running along the back into my pocket. And it's extra long. And there is the unit working. Hard to see in pure daylight, any light. And I'm doing these tests for you. So this way you get to see a microphone working. Oh, I apologize. I'm supposed to hold it in hand. Well, it is windy. It's got its own, no, it don't. It doesn't have its own little mic muff. You have to go buy one of these mic muffs. You have to buy an additional mic muff for them. So they're separate. This microphone costs $25. And the mic itself, the muffs, was like $5 for $10 almost. But the problem with these mic muffs, the rubber band dries out over time. Any rubber band dries out over time. Well, over here, you see I have another microphone, and I got the rubber band on it. And this is from a 15-year-old project. And it has that mic muff on. It's not working yet. I could have made it work during the ride so you could hear both the mics going at the same time. I didn't do that. The wind is hitting it gently, but this... Did you hear that? Let me change it over quickly. All right, now we're without noise canceling. It's got to blow again. I didn't plan this. And here is the other one. As you can see, it's got the mono to stereo plug, and I hope it works this time with a different microphone on it so you can get to hear sounds. It doesn't mean you have to have the best lavalier mic in the world to make you have the best sound. You just got to have something that works quite well for you. Man, that's propeller. It's wrapping around. Noisy. You can hear it from here. He just put the noise canceling on it. Did you get that? Now I switched over, no noise canceling, to this microphone. And it's into the wind. And this is the best I can do right now. This is where I wear my mic. Hopefully that'll do a good job. It's sounding pretty good. It's mono. Heck, I don't know how it sounds. I'm out here and I'm not watching my videos, I'm not plugged into a OTG headset. Do these things have OTG headsets so you can listen? I don't have a 3.5 millimeter headset. Can I put a Bluetooth onto the receiver's jack point and put it to the headset so I can listen to myself? Would that be something that DJI wireless mic system is working on? A wireless headset so you can monitor yourself all wirelessly. You will buy that in a heartbeat. I put on noise canceling because I feel the wind may be too strong and I want to muffle out the background noises. There's not much here. But at least you get the idea, and I did my test, and I don't want to make it so long that you'd be so... Fish, can you tell us that microphone? I'm sorry, I wish I could. I see the product downstairs. I see it in the drawer. I just don't remember who they're by. They're like the cheapest mics in the world that you used to get for $6.99 back then. And they give you the 1/8 jack port and the mic, and you're all set up. And what we used to do was take that system, take off the 1/8 and put ourselves on a 1/4 adapter. And yeah, I think it was like Shure. I can't remember. Maybe I could Google it now and let you know which one it is. I'm just showing you that how long this cable is. It's like good 6 feet. And I'm talking to you right here, right now. I could roll it up. I don't need it to be that long. And it'll do a good job. And I don't have to worry about, oh, my cable's too long. I can make it as short as I want. Rolling it up shouldn't cause any damage. There you go. I hope this helps you out. Oh, can I do internal recording? And will it record from this microphone to here and get that sound? Okay, noise canceling off. Is he going to blow one more time? I don't think so. Man, he caught me by surprise going out this time. Hear the plane going by? Let me do this. Maybe the PA system will go. Let's go check him out with the microphone. So there you got the microphone. I'm behind it. Listen to the engine go by, man. Listen to those twin diesels. Hey Fish, could you do me a favor and put the this onto the mic you're using and just put this onto the Fulaim by itself? There's a lot of tests I can do. Well, if you want to just hang on, I'll transfer over. Let me put the gain away and let me get this off. How do I sound now? I'm going to put the Ceramic XR XM1 on. And there I am. So here you hear this particular mic like so. Doing a good job. And I think I got to get moving because Captain Dave's coming in. Let me go get moving. I got to go pick another spot. I don't want to be crowded here. All right, Captain Dave's coming in. Got a full load. Time to get on out of here. I promised. Up, mic on. Test 1, 2, 3. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect and just go with that laptop. Maybe I'll put it on my helmet over here and be on my way. See what I can get home. Listen to what I got. And maybe it be a presentable video. Real life tests. That's what these are. You want to see something down below? You know who you are. Post down below and I'll help you out with some tests. On that note, I'll see you later.